First things first, we're going to start with the suction hose. This truck has what we call torpedo tubes, which is a storage area for your suction hoses back here in the back of the truck. The end of the suction hose is the part you put in your lake or swimming pool or whatever you're drafting from. This has a dual purpose in it. It has a screen to keep rocks and sand and debris and sticks from getting sucked into your pump. And it also has a cork flapper in there, so when you're done, it'll keep the whole water in the hose after you've used it. So if you drafted and you took off and left your hose there, it would stay completely primed. It saves a lot of time in the process. So first things first, connect your suction hose to your suction inlet right here on the bottom. There we go. Cam lock nice and tight. What you want tight fittings because you're going to actually be sucking the air out of the system. You shut off the main 4-inch coming in the back of the pump. This is your tank to pump valve. You shut that off because you are no longer drawing water from the tank. You're going to draw it through this suction hose from your swimming pool or canal or wherever you're drafting the water from. You open this 3-inch valve here, which makes this now live. Now this is the tricky part. You don't want to start opening other valves and getting crazy here. You just use your primer pump. This pumps all the air out of this system until you start to get water coming out of it. That means you've drawn all that water up into the plumbing, and now your system is primed. Once your system is primed, turn on the PTO, bring up your RPMs. You're primed, you're drawing water from the canal or the swimming pool, your system is hot, and then you open your return to tank. By doing this, it takes all that pressurized water and fills your tank. Once it's full, shut that off, turn off the PTO, open your main tank to pump. You shut off your 3-inch line, disconnect your hose, and you're good to go. I know it sounds like a lot, but after you do it a couple times, it becomes second nature.